Bibig sabihin nga ako,
Ano
seryoso
yun?
kasi ako.
Ano ba yun?
I'm pregnant.
Isa kasi mami, parang tangan, hindi mo ginagawang biro yan, ha? It's a prank, ano?
Gago. Sana kanina pa ako nag-prank. Uy, I'm pregnant nga.
Paano ka magiging pregnant, mami? Hindi ako nagtatanim dyan.
Happy birthday nga pala sa pinsan kong palagi nagpapalipas ng gutom. Wilson, happy birthday. And naway, pagpatuloy mo lang lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. At alam ko naman na kahit ganyan ka, ganyan ka na talaga. Hindi, biro lang. Napakabait niyang pinsan ko na yan. God bless sa'yo, kapatid. At mag-ingat sa COVID. Love your family. God bless.
Hey yo, happy birthday Bandol Este. Happy birthday Kuya Son. Idol Sukram, happy birthday Kuya. And wish ko lang sa'yo, makamit mo na yung mga dreams mo, yung mga nais mo o yung wish mo. At ingat kayo lagi nila Ate Christy tsaka ni Baby. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, stay healthy, stay fit. Kita-kits sa finals. Lakers, tatalunin niya ng hit. So yun lang Kuya. See you soon, sana magkita tayo ulit. Banding ba, basketball court man o saan man. I miss you Kuya, God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Manoy.
Birds, happy birthday! Ano ba? May handaan ba? Punta ba kami? Naka-lockdown pa eh.
Ingat lagi, Wilson. Happy birthday. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Marcos!
Hi Tol! Happy birthday Marcos! Ayun, tumatanda na tayo. So, ingat kayo lagi. Tsaka, alagaan nyo mabuti yung inaanak ko, okay? Keep safe everyone. Love you both, Christy and Marcos. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday! May aso. Birthday, Marcus. Tagay. Togoy. Nauna na kami. Tumagay. Tara. Shot. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. And stay safe with family, with Lalabs and Christy. Love you, three. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to you. Bye.
Uy, happy birthday sa pinaka-pogi kong pinsan dyan, no? Si Kuya Wilson. Stay safe and healthy.
Hi Chol! Happy birthday! More blessings to come. And sana maging healthy kayo lagi. Kayo ni Lalabs, ni Beb, tsaka ikaw. Ayun.
Healthy ka na, Chol. So, happy birthday na lang, Chol. BR na lang.
Bye! Hi Marcos! Happy birthday!
Boy, happy birthday.
Enjoy! No sex birthday ha. Charot!
Birthday sex.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel! Welcome to my vlog! Okay na, 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Kuya Sol! Ulit na. Sige na, sige na. I-edit ko lang yung happy. Pati mo sa akin i-edit si Christy ako. Hindi pala, si Bebe. Sige na! Happy birthday! Bilang kasi muna! Okay, 1. Ako magbibilang! Wala ko galing magbilang. Alam ko kaya ang ganito. Bakit ko ang ganito lang? Natawa tayo si Aliyah. Ano tayo si Aliyah? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Wilson! Wish you all the best! God bless! We love you! Woo! Okay na. Okay na nga lang yun. Happy birthday, son! Pamilit pa. Ang dami. Okay na.
Son, happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan ha. More birthdays to come. Stay safe. Miss ko na kayo. Mwah.
So, happy birthday. Lumana.
Tito Wilson, happy birthday. I hope you're having a good day today, Tito. We love you. Ate kong chicken? Ate kong chicken? Mama, don't joke it. Mama, ate kong chicken? Hi, Tito Wilson. We love you, Tito Wilson. Make sure good there. And please, no teacher, you're there. I love you. Bye.
Dodoy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
More birthdays to come and
Wish you good health and
God bless you and your
God
family.
bless you and your family.
Bye.
Oh, Brad. Send ko na lang to. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday. I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy.
Kiss mo si Daddy.
Mwah!
Love mo si Daddy
Apple.
so much.
Ah.